You've heard of the cake pop, but we'll introduce you to something even sweeter. Meet the Cakesicle, or as our Studio 5 food editor Maddy Tolman calls it, the cake pop's cooler sister.
Yes, yes, big sister.
Cooler, big sister. Cake pops, so funny. We introduced those on the show like, 19 years ago. And now here we are introducing the big sister.
The big sister.
The Cakesicle?
Yes, they are more in every way. They're bigger, they're better, and you're getting more cake for your pop because you can have more than just one bite of the cake pop.
I hope you thought of that ahead of time.
I did on my drive
You're
here.
getting more cake for your pop.
Right.
And that's her new TM slogan when she starts her own bakery and sells these. No, just kidding. That's fantastic. Okay, I'm so on board. How do we do it?
So there's two different ways you can go. We are first gonna try the chocolate coating method. So we're gonna this is so simple because you're just gonna use your popsicle mold that you already have. You don't have to get a special cake mold.
Okay.
Just it has to be silicone and it has to be a lay down flat one. If it's like the polar ones, you're not gonna be able to get your cake out, so it's gonna get stuck.
Which a friend actually texted me last week from the aisles of TJ Maxx, and they have this crazy, elaborate, huge setup of popsicle molds.
Really?
For summer.
Okay, because it was so hard for me to find a popsicle mold.
Oh, really?
Because it's not popsicle season yet.
It's not quite there.
Like we're almost there.
Well, TJ Maxx is ahead of it.
Okay,
they saw this Cakesicle big sister cake pop coming, and they said, give the women more cake with their pop, and here's your popsicle
And here
mold.
we are.
Okay.
Okay, so this method, you're gonna just dump your melted chocolate in the mold. I've had $1 for every time someone said this on Studio 5. Use good quality chocolate. You can really taste the difference if you're eating them as an adult. For the kids, you can just use the candy melt. But then, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let that harden. I've let this two harden over here. We're gonna take our cake mix. This is just cake that I've baked. You can literally buy cake from the store that's already made. You can get like a pound cake. You can get literally anything.
That feels like a really moist cake.
Anything. You add frosting or right out of the oven, use the steam so it's nice and hot and it's gonna bind the cake together. Dump it in your KitchenAid right out of the oven, mix it up. The steam is gonna bind the cake and make it really moist.
You don't need the frosting.
No, if you're gonna go right out of the oven, you don't need the frosting.
You KitchenAid it warm.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's genius.
Isn't that genius?
Where was that tip 19 years ago with the cake pops? We are so 2025.
Okay, so once you have that in there, you're just gonna like smother and enrobe them.
Sandwiched in chocolate?
Yes,
awesome.
sandwich it in chocolate, similar to a cake pop.
And I should have asked, maybe you said, did you like grease this or pre-treat this?
No, since it's silicone, you really don't need to.
True.
And you're just gonna coat it all. Then you're gonna let that harden. Here's a tip for you too. If you're using chocolate, real chocolate, if you want a color, you're gonna need to use oil-based food coloring. If you don't, it's gonna clump up and then it's gonna make your chocolate all grainy.
Okay.
Then you stick your popsicle stick in, you pull it out, and you've got like the cutest.
These are adorable.
Cakesicle, right?
They're
adorable. Okay, option 2.
Yeah.
I think this is genius. Brownies. Like, why don't we put brownies in our cake pops or Cakesicles?
Oh, for sure.
If you're more of a chocolate gal, you could do chocolate cake too.
Yeah.
But you're gonna just freeze. You put your brownie or your cake mix or whatever, pat it in there, freeze it so it gets nice and hard.
Because it doesn't have the chocolate to encase it and stabilize it. I'm with you.
So then it turns into that shape there.
Yes.
You're gonna grab your popsicle stick.
You are a genius. This is
pop
fantastic.
it in, and then you're just gonna dunk it in the chocolate.
Oh, this is so fun.
Give it a little chocolate bath there.
This feels so easy too.
Right? And so fun for like a birthday or end of school or beginning of summer, easy and
sort of hands-free, like way cleaner than the
better
cake.
than eating a slice of cake because you're just gonna eat it on a stick.
Oh, I'm feeling this. Okay, cute sprinkles on top.
Sprinkles on top.
And you package these up for a fun favorite, a shower treat.
Yes, package it up, tie it with a bow. Those are the brownie ones.
Okay.
Sprinkle your brownie on top.
Okay, cutest treat in town. Maddy, thank you so much.
Yep.
You can find this tutorial waiting for you on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Great job, great job.
Thank you.